Your website is your own piece of digital real estate. And like any piece of real estate, there's always a project or two that you can do to make it better. So let's roll up our sleeves and get to work. It's your website home improvement tip from Super Web Pros. Today's website home improvement tip is to use an SSL certificate. So what is an SSL certificate? SSL stands for Secure Sockets Layer, and it provides an encrypted link between a server and a web browser. The visitor requests a link to a website. The website server provides a secure SSL certificate with a one-time use encryption key to encrypt the data that the user then sends back. The user decrypts the information and then they secure the session. So what does that mean? In plain English, it's a way to establish a secure, coded way to send information between a website and a visitor. It encrypts the data so only the people with the right certificate can access it. It's used for things like credit card forms or password logins or other sensitive information. Basically, any type of customer data that you need to protect, you're going to want to make sure that you're using an SSL certificate to make sure that it's protected, because we all like to protect our customers. So make sure your website is safe as well as awesome. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or if you have any ideas for other website home improvement tips, please leave them in the comments below. As always, please subscribe to our channel, and if you want to see how you can make your website the best it can possibly be, come visit us at superwebpros.com.